Space forces atoms to emit impossible light, a phenomenon called forbidden transitions. Because we identify cosmic elements in crowded Earth labs, a vacuum's emptiness can completely trick us. In 1864, astronomers found a bright green spectral line glowing inside distant nebulae that matched nothing on Earth. Working with incomplete evidence, scientists proposed a brand new element called nebulium. This mystery stayed in textbooks into the 1900s, but a new element broke the periodic table. Was Earth missing a crucial variable? Here's the hidden mechanism. An excited atom can get stuck in a long-lived holding pattern, a trap called a metastable state, where it takes massive amounts of time to release its light. The environment dictates the outcome. In a dense Earth lab, atoms collide almost instantly. These crashes knock the energy away before it ever has the chance to glow. But in a low-density nebulae, collisions are incredibly rare. The atom finally gets enough undisturbed time to drop its energy, emitting that forbidden green light. In 1927, Ira Bowen proved nebulium wasn't a failure, but a triumph of working with incomplete data. So when scientists looked back at that mysterious green spectral line hanging in the dark cosmic void, it was never a brand new element. It was just ordinary oxygen, finally getting enough room to glow.